How to replace Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 to 2021 engine air filter in 3 easy steps. Here we have the maintenance kit for Volkswagen Tiguan 2018, but in this video we will show how to change the engine air filter. You can find the other maintenance kit replacement videos in the video description below. One, open the hood and remove the 8 bolts from the engine air filter box. You have the USA 8T 25-bit Torx to remove the screws. 2. Remove the air filter box cover and replace the old filter with a new one. This is the old filter. We will replace the old filter with a MAN filter C30005 air filter that you can find it below in the video description. Here you can see that are the same. Here is the location of the 8 bolts from the engine air filter box. This is the T25-bit Torx, which I removed the bolts. 3. Place the cover back and then put the bolts back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.